Hi guys, welcome to Supervising Shell Reloaded. Hope you all are doing well and enjoying this monsoon season. I'm sure you are. So guys, today's video is all about a easy, quick and affordable night skincare routine. Also, this video is gonna be really interesting because in this video I'm gonna disclose a big secret that all the products which I'm using in this video are for free and a way in which you can also earn them for free. So do stay tuned in the video and without much ado, let's get started. Finally, I'm done with pampering of my skin and it's time to bed. And also it's time to disclose one major secret with all my lovely people out here. So guys, I told you that I will let you know a way in which you can earn all these cosmetics for free. And it's the time, it's the moment when I'm disclosing this secret. Oh my god, much hype. Okay, so ज़्यादा तंग नहीं करती, बता देती हूँ. Okay, so guys, recently I came through a website which was zosmetics.com, ZOSMETICS. I hope I'm not mistaken. Whatever, I'll link it below. Okay, you'll find it in my description box, so don't forget to check it out. No, don't forget to check out that. Yeah. Okay, so zosmetics.com is a website wherein you review cosmetic for free reward coupons and later you redeem them for free cosmetic products. Yeah, just what you need to do is drop in your review, earn reward coupons and then redeem them for free cosmetic products. And this is how the cycle goes on, and you keep on getting free cosmetic products. So I guess this was one of its kind. So do check out their page and their website. I'll definitely link it in my description box. And if you like this video, then you know what to do. Just share it with your friends, like, comment and subscribe to our channel. And guys, do tag your makeup lover friends in the comment section, and also let me know that do you like my videos or not. And I will see you all next time. Until then, keep smiling, keep shining. Jhappies and puppies to all. Bye.